Introducing the Nexgrill Deluxe 3-burner gas grill. Featuring 3 independently controlled high-quality stainless steel main burners that deliver plenty of flame roasting energy for quick, convenient, controlled heat. Plus 1 powerful ceramic rear burner that's perfect for rotisserie cooking or sealing in juicy flavor. With a reliable battery-operated electronic ignition, you just turn on the gas, turn the knobs, press the button, and let the grilling begin. A sizable main cooking area provides enough space to feed appetites of all sizes. And an upper-level warming rack keeps cooked foods toasty. The DEluxe 3-burner grill comes standard with heavy-duty porcelain-coated cast-iron cooking grates built to transfer heat exceptionally well. Meanwhile, the Nexgrill ProTouch cooking system opens up a whole new menu of grilling possibilities. With a variety of interchangeable cooking accessories, it gives you the flexibility to cook with a multi-purpose roaster, 2-sided griddle, searing grate, cast-iron wok, cast-iron skillet, cast-iron stew pot, and even a pizza stone. Beneath the cooking surface, a consistent cooking power system ensures uniform heat throughout the firebox for superb results. While angled flame-tamers help distribute heat evenly, prevent flare-ups, and vaporize drippings into smoky flavor. On top, a built-in thermometer enables precise temperature regulation. And on the sides, 2 stainless steel shelves provide a convenient surface for food prep or serving, plus utensil hooks to keep your grill tools nearby. Beneath the firebox, a gas regulator connects to your fuel source. For information on your specific connection, refer to the user manual. When it's time to clean up, a handy rear access pull-out grease tray makes it easy. A convenient cart with 2 double-layered doors creates the perfect space to stow away your grilling tools and accessories. And a smooth motion 4 castor system with 1 locking wheel and 1 swivel wheel makes moving your grill a breeze and locking it into position a snap. If you're hungry for different, you're ready for a Nexgrill, the Nexgrill DEluxe 3-burner gas grill.